Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple platformer game on Scratch. So this is a preview of what we're gonna make. So there are coins and a level system and as well as spikes. So this is the mushroom forest. So that's it. So you can add your own levels, and the link to download these platforms and these items is in the description. So let's start coding. So first I'll be showing you how to code our player. So click on variables and let's make two new variables for xvel for this sprite only and yvel for this sprite only. So when we flag clicked, minimize the screen, we need to go to x -198 and -42. So it's like here, and then grab a forever loop and we need to change our yvel by -1. So grab an if statement. So if key right arrow pressed, then we need to switch costume to right. You can see it's this costume. There are 6 costumes. Then duplicate this, change this to left arrow and left, and we need to change our xvel by 1.2, and if key left arrow press, we need to change our xvel by -1.2, and then we need to set xvel to xvel times 0.87, and then we need to change our x by xvel. So this is our friction script. So now you can see our player can move. And now grab an if statement. So if touching level, so name this as levels, then we need to change our y by 1. So duplicate it 6 times, so I duplicated it 6 times and duplicate once more, and if touching level, then we need to change our y by -6. So this is our slope detection, and change x by xvel times -1, and then we need to set xvel to 0, and then we need to change our y by yvel. So grab another if statement. So this would be our gravity script. So if touching level, then we need to change our y by, duplicate this and change this to y-val times -1, and then we need to set y-val to 0, and then we need to change our y by -1. This is very important. So now you can see our player gravity works, and our player can move, and our player slope detection also works. So now we need to make our player jump if we press the up arrow. So grab the if statement. So if key up arrow pressed and touching level, then we need to switch costume to up and set our y-val to 13, and then we need to change our y by 1. So now you can see our player can jump. So now grab another when reflect clicked. So when reflect clicked forever, grab the if not any key pressed, then we need to switch costume to normal and grab the if statement and an end. So if key up arrow press and key right arrow press, then we need to switch costume to upright. Duplicate this and change this to left arrow and up left. So okay, now let's test our game. So now we can see our player animation also works. So our player script works. So now I'll be showing you how to code our level system. So click on player, I'll minimize the screen, and click on variables. So let's make a new variable called level for all sprites, and at the start we need to set level to 1. And here grab the if statement. So if our x position is greater than 240, that means is our player like on here, then we need to move to the next level. So for that, let's broadcast a message called new level. And then when I receive new level, we need to go to our original x and y position, which is this. X x negative 198 and y negative 42. And then we need to change level by 1. So click on levels, and when we flag clicked forever, we need to switch costume to level. And click on backdrops, and when we flag clicked forever, we need to switch costume to level. So okay, now let's test our level system. So now we can see when our player reaches the end, we move to the next level. So our level system works. So now I'll be showing you how to code the danger. So click on danger and make sure you upload the sprites. So there would be some blank costumes because we don't need danger on every level. And when we flag clicked forever, switch costume to level. And now click on your player, and here grab an if statement. So if touching danger, then we need to go to our original X and Y position, and then we need to duplicate this and change this. So if negative 180 is greater than Y position, then we need to go to our original X and Y position. So this blocks means, so if we fall, we need to go to original X and Y position. So now let's test our danger. So now you can see if our player touches the spikes, our player would come to its original X and Y position. So our danger script works. And if our player falls down, our player will come to its original X and Y position. So now I'll be showing you how to code the coins. So click on levels, and when we flag clicked, grab a forever if, grab a equals. So if our level equals 2, then we need to broadcast a new message for level 2, and then we need to stop this script. Duplicate this and put it inside when I receive new level, and if level equals 3, broadcast level 3, duplicate level equals 4, broadcast level 4, duplicate this, and if level equals 5, broadcast level 5, level equals 6, broadcast level 6, and if level equals 7, broadcast level 7. Now click on coin and name it as coin 1, and when we flag clicked, go to X, negative 91 and negative 57. So this would be the position. So this would be the coin's position on the first level, and go backward one layer, and forever we need to change our y by 4, wait 0.03 seconds, duplicate this, duplicate it again and again, so it's 4 times, and then we need to change our y by 1 and wait 0.05 seconds. So now duplicate the whole thing, and change this to negative 1, wait 0.05 seconds, 4, change negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, and the final one into negative 4, and wait 0.03 seconds. And make sure you upload a show block on the top. So now let's test our coin. So now you can see our coin appears and it has this smooth animation. So okay, now grab a when green flag clicked, we need to show, and forever grab a if. So if touching player, then we need to hide, and let's make a new variable called score, and we change our score by 1 or 5, then we need to hide. So now you can see when our player collects the coin, our coin hides. So click on player, and when green flag clicked, we need to set score to 0, and then we need to show variable score, and click on coin, and when I receive level 2, grab a forever, don't need a forever, grab a if. So if level equals 2, then we need to show and go to x, negative 155 and negative 93. Duplicate this and change this to level 3. If level equals level 3, then we need to go to x, negative 133 and y, negative 90. So remove this and duplicate and place it here and duplicate. So if level equals 4, and when I receive level 4, then we will go to this position, level 5 equals 5, we need to go to negative 155 and 93. And duplicate. When I receive level 6, if level equals 6, then we need to go to this X and Y position, change this to 97, and duplicate 7 7, then we need 5. So if level equals 7, we need 5. So now click on this sprite and duplicate it 2 times and name it as coin 2 and coin 3. So click on coin 2 and change this to 22 and -69. Don't need to change the others. And if level equals 2, then we need to go to x by y -30, level equals 3, duplicate, level equals 4, then we need to go to -18 and 30, level equals 5, then 46, -40, level equals 6, we need to go to -67 and -98, and if level equals 7, we need to hide. So click on coin 3, we need to go to 143 and -88, and if level equals 2, we need to go to 153 and -90, level equals 3. You need to go to 202 and -91, level equals 4, 11 and 149, level equals 5. We go to 202 and -91, and if level equals 3, we need to go to 153 and -90. We should change this, and if level equals 6, then we need to go to the same position, and if level equals 7, we need to hide. So okay, now you can see all our 3 coins appear and we can collect them. So now I'll be showing you how to add some sound effects. So click on stage, click on sound, and make sure you upload sound called music in the backdrop folder. And when green flag clicked forever, we need to play sound music until done, and click on player. Make sure you upload the sound called crunch in the player folder, and if that's in danger, we need to start sound crunch, and if a Y position is lesser than -180, we need to start sound crunch. And here grab if statement. So if level equals 7, then we need to switch costume to normal, stop other scripts in this sprite, and wait 3 seconds and stop all, and click on coin. Make sure you upload the collect sound, and here we need to change start sound collect, start sound collect and start sound collect. So let's set the volume to like 50. Now you can see our sound effects works. So now you can see our simple platformer game works. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe and share. And see you with another awesome Scratch tutorial.